What are we up to today?
We are going to go and pick up a old Dell, was it Dimension?
Yes.
In other side of Gothenburg. Underneath your wheels, you can basically say goodbye to all the grip you have. Since there's a lorry further up ahead, just plowing up with his wheels, remove of the slush and snow into wheel tracks like that, basically. En vegansk vaniljlyxshake.
What a mess it is in here. We got some...
Oh, hard drive studs.
This is like opening a f***ing treasure chest. Look at that in there. An old ATI card. Yeah, it's got a Sound Blaster Live in there. Love the amount of material here. Just a serious heat air mover. They used to love to use this green plastic in Dells back in the day. And then they moved to the blue. I love that big embossed Dell logo on the side. Very, very interesting way to open a Dell. The PC we originally came for is this guy, a Dell Dimension 5100 with a Pentium 4 HT. With a PCIe slot in there, which is hard to see because it's a bit dark, it is ripe for expansion. Now Dells don't just have a fan here, there's another huge plastic module that sits there that has the fan. And the fan, of course, as we said before, is proprietary. This design, as an intake design, I think is so cool.
This one is actually a little bit of a cheaper one. You see how it's supposed to have heat pipes up here?
Oh yeah, the Pentium D ones do, yeah.
It's just a block of copper. The thickness of this copper right here, literally the thickness of my pinky finger.
Yeah.
It's just thermal mass. How is that going to transfer anything into the heatsink? Let me see the fan. It's missing the heatsink for the north or south bridge. Fitted a new power supply because the old one I didn't trust. We've also fitted a heatsink for the I think the Northbridge.
Yes.
Because they didn't have one. We stole one from a dead PC in my garage. And we fitted a 500 gig HDD and hot wired a fan to trick the motherboard.
Because you have to hotwire a fan in these Dells because they have a custom fan connector.
Yeah, well, you don't have to, but if you don't, you have to go buy their fan, which on eBay can go anywhere from $10 up to like 50. Yeah, so we had to remove the back like I/O plate for this GPU, and so I had to arrange a. I didn't actually need any support.
Yes.
Because it stayed in the place thanks to the DVI ports.
Okay. Let's see if it gets through post. That's what's so good about these old Dells. They have the diagnostic lights to tell you exactly what's freaking wrong. Pentium.
Boot menu. Well, USB device. Yes.
Which, hey, I had a frozen pizza again last night. I had, I mean, this is what old computers like to do. They get your hopes up, and then they dash them.
It did come this far last time, but it crashed.
What revelation did you find out about the USB ports?
2 of them are looking much more important back there. Those 2 are for booting. And nothing else works on this PC. Not the front USBs.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. Windows 10. Yeah, that's not too bad.
You can shoot up some soundbows here, some bottom friends. Totaling less than 500 Swedish. We have a bonified gaming PC for like a retro lands.
It's pretty sick actually, really, especially for like Counter-Strike 1.6, Halo. It would tear those games to pieces.
Yeah, for example, like, if we were going to play, for example, like World of Warcraft or League of Legends, I would like to try on this. It's like, you know the finger skateboards?
The Tech Deck.
Yeah, it's like...
Kids in school used to love the Tech Deck.
Yeah. This is the IT version.
Yes.
It's just like...
The SanDisk. The SanDisk Tech Deck.
Yeah. Let's see if I can just like... No, come on.
Not bad. It's not looking good for this Dell. 3 attempted Windows 7 installation.
5.
5. I need a stiff drink after messing with this Dell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, don't like this.